Okay. Now, do you know the value of alpha beta? Yes. Do you know the value of alpha square plus beta square? No. What you know is alpha plus beta value you know. See this, we have done it over here. Alpha plus beta 7 upon 2. We know this value. So now what our target is, we have to convert this alpha square plus beta square into alpha plus beta or something whole square cube, whatever it is. So how? So what we'll do is, we know alpha beta, that is 4 upon 4 basically. We have found out over here 4. So we'll input that. Okay. So 25 into 4, 100. Keep this 100 as it is. Now solve the inner bracket over here, right? Alpha square plus beta square. What we'll do is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This alpha square plus beta square equals to, how? See here, solve this. Alpha plus beta the whole square means alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square, right? So 2 alpha beta over here and 2 alpha beta over here minus, and here plus, they get cancelled and we get the answer. Okay, so move on. So alpha plus beta we know now 7 upon 2 the whole square minus 2 alpha beta we know 4. Okay, so our equation becomes 100 minus 12 into this 7 upon 2 the whole square minus 2 into 4. So solve this. 7 square 49 upon 4 minus 8 and remaining as it is equals to 100 into, solve this, 8 for the 32. You can do it simpler way. 4 ones are multiply 12 inside. So 12 into this, 4 ones are 4 threes are. So 49 into 3 147 and minus 12 into minus 8 plus 96. Solve this. You will get C upon A equals to 49 if you solve this. Okay, therefore C equals to what? 49A. Now what all have you got? C equals to 49A and here above B. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.